Let us open that file. The last previous one, 16. We have 3 sheets. First sheet is having sales data, sales date, sales ID, reseller code, product code, quantity, and sales price and sales amount. When I go to the next sheet, we have product table where we can see product name, product code, category, and unit cost. When I go to the next sheet, we have reseller code, reseller name, address, city, state, contact person, phone number, and email address. Now, based on these 3 tables, we are going to create one report. For example, I want to create a report state-wise and category-wise, accessories, lighting, interior, electronic category-wise. I want to know what is the sum of sales amount. So I said state-wise, category-wise, sum of sales amount. All the 3 are in 3 different tables. State name is in reseller table. Product we have category. In sales table we have sales amount. I want to combine all the 3 tables and I want to create a report. Unfortunately, merge query, we cannot do merge query. So many merge queries or lookups, so many lookups. But instead, let it be as it is. I'm not going to disturb the table. All the 3 tables can be as it is. But I want to create a report. Without writing the formulas, without writing the function, nothing. I want to create a report here. Let us do this. But we have some connection between all the 3 tables. Could you tell me? Sales table and product table. What is the connection? What is the common link between both the table? Product code. Sales table, we have the product code. And product table, we have the product code. Tell me about this reseller table. Reseller table should have connection with any one of the table. Sales table, very good. Sales table, we have the reseller code. And reseller table, we have the reseller code. That's all. You should understand what is the common column between the tables. That's it. So you founded it perfectly. Let us do this. I will close this file. Open a fresh new file. Control N. 12th time. Data. Get data from file. From Excel workbook. Select that file, last but one, sales product reseller info. Import as usual. Select that file, import. Select all the 3 sheets again in the navigator screen. Multiple items. Products, reseller, sales. I selected all the 3 tables. Or shift key and select all the 3 tables. Transform data. Transform data. Now, in transform data, let us check the column quality. You have to help me here. Product table. I think product table, no need for help. It's clear. Product code, product name, category, unit price. Perfect. No problem here. Reseller table. Is there any problem in the reseller table or it's clean? I think yesterday or today I would have told this. Remove unwanted. Sometimes unwanted column can have a data also. For example, phone number and email address. It's not required for my reporting. Reporting it's not required. I don't need the phone number. I don't need the email address for reporting. I want to remove the column. Could you tell me how can I remove this unwanted column? What is the best method for removing the unwanted columns? Choose column. Very good. Home tab. Choose column. Remove this phone number and email. This is optional. You can have it also. That's your wish. To save my data model, to save my file size, I am doing this. Okay. Address also I think may not required. Home tab, choose column. If you don't want the address also, you can remove it. City name is required. Each city wise I want to create a report. State wise I can create a report. So next, sales table. Sales table, no problem. All are clean. Okay. Yes. All the 3 tables. We have checked all the 3 tables. All are perfect. That's all in Power Query. That's all in Power Query. That's it. Close and load. I don't want the table to be loaded. Let us have it as a data model itself. Because the data is too large. I don't want all the three tables to be loaded. So close and load. Close and load 2. Only connection. I'm going to select only connection and add data model. Only connection, add this data to the data model. Only connection, add this data to the data model. Okay. Yes. Now for the second time, we are going to Power Pivot. Tell me, how can I go to Power Pivot from here? That is Power Pivot. Power Pivot. We have activated it. No need for deactivating it again. We already activated it. So Power Pivot. Manage. Next one. Power Pivot Manage. What could be the next one? Diagram View. Very good. Click on the Diagram View. All the three tables are available here. Product table, reseller table and sales table. If you have multiple tables, 10 tables, 20 tables also no problem. We can bring all the table very near like this. Drag and drop and move and bring all the three tables very near. Or if you are not able to see the table, right side it will be there. Or minimize the percentage, increase or decrease the percentage. All the 3 or 4 or 5 tables will be listed here. Now, we got all the three tables. Product table and sales table. There is a common link, that is product code. Left to right, right to left, both are same. Click this product code. Click the product code. Drag it and drop it to this product code. You can see a line is appearing. Drag the product code and link, or you can do it in the reverse also. From bottom to top also. Product code to this product code. Yes, both are linked, connected. How it is connected is when you place the cursor on the line, you can see it's connected, the product code, product code. If you wrongly connected, can I edit it or can I delete it? Yes. Right click on the line. There is an option of editing the relationship, deleting the relationship. If you have, suppose product code is connected with product name, wrongly I have connected it. So go to edit relationship. Now you have second chance, connect the product code, product code, product code, product code here. That's it. Next one. Reseller code and reseller code. That's all. That's all in Power Pivot. Drag and connect it. Done. Now let me check. That's all in Power Pivot. Close this Power Pivot. Close the Power Pivot. Close the query connection. I want to create a report now. I have connected all the three tables. I want to create a report now. Insert pivot table from data model. Existing worksheet, new worksheet, your wish. Okay. Close it and come to Excel. Insert, pivot from data model. All the three tables are listed here. Now you have to play with this. For example, from the reseller table, let us take the state names. I will put the state name, it's into rows. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Puducherry, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. Then, from the product table, let me take the category name into columns. Or you can put it in reverse. This into columns, this into rows. From sales table, from the reseller table, I got the state name. From the product table, I got the category name. From the sales table, let me get the sales amount. I want state wise, product wise, what is the sum of sales amount? That's all. without creating formulas, without creating functions, nothing, no queries, no formulas, no functions. Connected the table and created the report. That's all. Very, very, very simple. Done. This is just I showed a sample. You can drag any columns from any table. Done. File. Save as. Browse. "16 sales product reseller info." Is the here with it's not with Power Query. Power Query work is very lesser here. More thing has been done in Power Pivot. Power Pivot is a vital role here. Power Pivot connecting three tables. Yes. With the help of this, last one, I want you to try the last and final one. Business transaction. Open that file, business transaction. So you have to get the data, get, transform the data, get, transform, load, and connect all these 6 tables. Invoice, invoice trans, customer info, geographic data, product master, product category. All the 6 tables has to be connected. I want you to try. So get this data in a new file, transform the data, load the data, then connect it. Afterwards, we'll create a report based on this. First, I want you to try this. You decide what is the common columns. I don't know. You have to decide. All the 6 tables are directly, indirectly should be connected. All the 6 tables should be connected. Try. Open a new file and do it. Close the existing file and open the new file. Get it. 17 business transaction. 17 business transaction. Done. There should be some common column between all the 6 tables. Should be. Yes. And wait for another 2 or 3 minutes. These are all very simple. Any challenges? Then we'll make a small dashboard like yesterday. Okay. I'm going to try now. Close this file. Open a fresh new file. Data. Get data from file. From Excel workbook. The last file, 17 business transactions. Import. Let us select all the 6 sheets. Select multiple items. First sheet. Shift key. Select the last. First, shift and last. Don't go to the checkbox and select it. Don't go to the checkbox. Transform data. Go to transform data. It's loading to Power Query as usual. 6 tables. It can be 6, 10, 20, 60, 100 tables also. Now let me check one by one. First, let me check with the customer info. Is there any problem in the customer info? Yes, sir. Yes. Mobile number. Email address. We don't want it. Choose column. Remove the mobile number. Email address. Very good. Location ID is required because location ID may be linked. Wherever that ID is code, wherever you can see ID or code, that should be there. Don't remove that. Geographic data. No problem. Invoice. Problem. One empty column. Choose column. 6th column is not required. Invoice trans. No problem. Product category. No problem. Product master. No problem. So I had only one problem in one table, invoice table, I believe so. There is an extra column, I removed it. A customer info, some column I have, which is not extra, but I don't want the column, I have removed it. That's all. Close and load. Close and load it to. Then, as usual, create only connection. Why it's taking so? Only create connection. Add this data to the data model. Create connection. Add this data to the data model. Okay. All the 6 tables. Customer info, geographic data, invoice, trans data. Everything is getting imported. What is the next one? After this?
Close this.
This one. Oh, okay. You can have it, you can close it. Then Power Pivot. Manage. There is one more method available to go to Power Pivot. You can go to Power Pivot tab, manage. Assume the Power Pivot tab is not activated. Also, you can do that. Go to Data tab. Under the Data tab, you can see Data Tools. Data tab, Data Tools. You can see there is a green icon. If I click on the green icon, there is an option called as Manage Data Model. This is the second method to go to Power Pivot. Another method to go to Power. That is easy actually. The earlier one is easier. But if you want to do the second, there is one more option. Data, Manage Data Model. There is a green color icon. Click on it. Manage Data Model. The second method to go to Power Pivot. Better is Power Pivot Manage. Then diagram view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is one more table. Actually 6. On the right hand side, there is another table. Product master. So let me bring all the 5 tables very near. For my understanding, I am bringing all the 5 tables very near. 6 tables. Let us say one by one. First, let me take the customer ID. Customer ID is linked with some table. Which table? Invoice table. Customer ID to the customer ID. Customer ID and customer ID is connected. Geographic data, location ID. In customer info, you have that location ID. The location ID is in customer ID. One table you can have multiple link also. Already this customer ID is linked to invoice. There is one more link is location ID. Location ID to this location ID. Geographic data to the customer info. So that 2 tables are connected. Invoice number to invoice number. Then in which table? Invoice trans and product ID. Very good. Category ID. Category ID. Description. Product master description is different, sir. Product category description is different. It's not, if you want to connect, you can. I think that's not required. In the description, where is there? Either in the product category or description, in the product master or description. So, like a spider web, all the 5 or 6 tables are interconnected. You can create any report from any table. For example, I want to know category wise, region wise. Unfortunately, category and region is not connected straight away. The category is connected with product master. Product master is connected with invoice trans. Invoice trans is connected with invoice. Invoice is connected with this geographic customer info. Customer info is connected with geographic data. Yes, you can create any sorts of report now. Let us check and create it. Let us create some 2 or 3 reports and check whether it's working fine. Close this. I think. Let me one more cross verify. Everything is connected. I think yes. All the 6 tables are connected. Fine. Close Power Pivot. Now insert pivot table from data model. Insert pivot table from data model. Okay. Now I want to create a report. Customer wise yearly. Customer wise yearly sum of invoice amount. First report. Customer wise yearly sum of invoice amount. Let us create a report. Customer name. It's available in customer table. Or you can go to the search box and type it. Because there are 10 tables. In which table I don't know the customer name is available. So you can go to the search box. Customer name. So let us put the customer name into rows. Date. I want yearly. Yearly means probably the yearly will be available under the invoice table. Invoice table, you can see invoice date. If you drag the invoice date, you will get yearly. Invoice date into columns. Customer name is coming from the customer table. Yearly is coming from invoice table. And I want sum of sales amount, invoice amount. Invoice amount is coming from invoice trans. Invoice amount is invoice trans. So we got customer wise yearly sum of invoice amount. We got the table data from 3 different tables. Literally, if you want to create a report without Power Pivot, impossible. Impossible. How many VLOOKUP, how many conditions? It's very tough. Tell me, I want top 10 customers. Right click on the customer name. Filter top 10. One report. So we got one report. Right click, filter top 10. So I got top 10 customer yearly. One more, let us try. I place the cursor on the table somewhere else here. Somewhere else here, I place the cursor. Insert, pivot, Data model. Just I'm creating some reports and I'm checking. Insert pivot data model. Okay. We'll create another report. Product wise. In product master, we have product name. Product wise. These are all the products. Yearly, same yearly. Invoice date into columns. Product wise, yearly. Same. Product is coming from some other table. Yearly is coming from some other table. And invoice amount. Total amount, sorry. So product wise, yearly sum of total amount. One report is customer wise yearly sum of total amount. Next one is product wise yearly sum of total amount. Let us get the top 10 products as usual. Right click, filter, top 10. So we got two reports from different sheets. Finally, I close this. Pivot table wizard, I am closing this. So we have two reports that like this. You can just, this is an example. You can create any report like this. Then analyze, insert slicer. Maybe I want the region name, south region, north region, east region, west region. Where is that region name available is? Go to all. Unfortunately, you have to manually do this. I requested Microsoft to put a search box here. Unfortunately, the search box is not there. So no other go. You have to go to the geographic data. In geographic data, we have a table, we have a column called as region name. Region name, country name, state name, city name. Let us put the region name. Pivot table analyze, insert slicer, region name. Okay. Now tell me this. If I click on central region, both the tables should get filtered. I want central region top 10 customers, central region top 10 products. How can I do this? Where? Right click on the slicer, go to report connection. Super. Select both the report 9 and 10. Okay. South. Top 10 for south, top 10 product for south, west, north. So we have created a dashboard based on 6 sheets, 6 tables, one dashboard, 6 tables. All are from different table. This is a small example. Like this, any kind of report. Yesterday we have created a report only based on 1 table. Now based on 6 tables. 1 report based on 6 tables. Without Power Queries, without Power Pivot, this is very tough, or it's literally impossible. 1 minute. File, save as, browse. 13. It's Power Pivot. Already you are connected. Not connected again. That's one thing. Product ID, product ID. A model from data model. Our name. Our name, put it in the rows. First date, put it in the columns. Amount is in total amount is top 10. How can I bring top 10? One more, place the cursor. Insert. Insert. From data model. Okay. What we did yesterday, sir. Now product name. Bring the product name to rows. First date to columns. Not report, you have to use the same way. You can create any report like this. Total amount to sigma. Top 10 product. Now you can close this. Analyze. Slicer. Slicer. All. Select the region where geographic data appears. இப்போ இதை கிளிக் பண்ணா ரெண்டுமே ஃபில்டர் ஆகும். என்ன பண்ணலாம்? அப்படியே ரைட் கிளிக் பண்ணலாம் ஸ்லைசர். Select both the things. Okay. Select any one of the region. Okay. With all your cooperation, I think successfully we have completed all the things. I hope you are better than yesterday morning. You have learned some concept, more concept, more thing has gone to your mind. Problem is, training is not completed today. Training has started today. These 2 days, I told you what are all the possible options available. That's all. You have to explore. You have to practice. Okay. Any other doubts, questions, queries? If you learned this, then the Power BI is much easier. Same Power Query we will be using in Power BI, but visual is different. Different types of visual. There also we have drill down, drill through. So many features are available in Power BI. So it means we are almost. So from today, not from today, from now. From now, start using Power Queries and Power BI. Okay? Yes, sir? Thank you, sir. I hope you understood Power Pivots and Power Queries. Okay? Great. Excellent. Yes, sir. Any specific doubts? I will come. Before that, I think you should have received a mail link, Teams, a Teams link. Please do the post-test feedback.